Hey guys, today I'm at Delhi's largest mosque and India's second largest mosque,
So
Jama Masjid.
India's second largest mosque, the first largest one is Taj Mahal, and that's the Jama Masjid there. You can see. So let's go.
Alright, so we're now in the Jama Masjid. I had to pay 300 rupees to get in because I am a foreigner. Kept my cameras in my bag though, so they didn't charge me extra for that because I think it's like, what, 10 rupees per camera? It said 300 per camera on the sign.
300 per camera, man. Are you serious for that? It's free for the Indian right there.
It is pretty ridiculous for foreigners, but anyways, here is the mosque. Main attraction here, and it's pretty incredible. So I see a group of men washing their hands and feet in front of the mosque. Do you know why they do that exactly?
Yes, I know that. Because, these are the rituals of Muslim religion. These are the normal religions that they follow, that before getting to the prayer or before getting to any mosque, you have to first wash yourself out. You have to first keep all your impurities outside of yourselves. And then only you can enter to it, because it's a very religious place, like a very kind of a place where you can interact to God, where you get to God only. You wanna have some?
So now we are going to participate in, what's this called again?
ये क्या कहलाता है भाई? क्या कहलाता है ये? वज़ू, पर पानी का कहलाता है, पानी का नाम? Hose. This is the water. It is been recognized as a name of hose, the purest water in the world, as well as the way we are doing it and the things that we are doing is called wazoo, right? Wazoo. It's called wazoo there. Okay. So let's go on.
Okay.
Just simply watch me what I'm doing there.
Okay.
Have your legs like this. Like you. Like you taking. You should have to take the water outside. Like, yeah. Like you're taking your legs there. We have not to put our legs there.
Okay.
And the impure water also should not be enter inside. Okay.
Okay.
So we're taking it like this, and then.
I don't think I'll do that.
That's nice, man.
I'm sure it feels great.
You can go in for it.
You're glowing.
Yeah, I'm glowing from it. So,
Okay.
that's your turn now?
Alright, so now it's my turn. Just go ahead and hold it.
Let's go in. Is it right from this side I'm doing?
Yeah, hold it a little bit more this way.
There you go. Okay. So right now Tristan is having the wazoo, and that's the water called the hose. That's the water hose, and we're performing right now with the wazoo. The purest rituals in the world to get interact to the God. To get interact to the God. Allahu Akbar. That's nice. Allahu Akbar means Akbar has been recognized as the emperor.
Alright, and then once the prayer is over, we're going to go ahead and check out the prayer room.
Put it like this.
Yeah.
Put it like that. Like you saw that we were doing the prayers there, and you saw the match there. We were sitting there. We can have the prayer there. Whenever is the time of Friday, and whenever a huge prayer takes place here. So these are like the blocks you are seeing here. These are also like the mats. So these are all the blocks. Like if there are huge prayer, there's a huge prayer. Like at the time of Eid, at the time of Jumma, these are kind of places where people used to take their prayers here. Like this, you can also sit there. This is also a prayer position. This is also a mat type position.
It was created by Shah Jahan in 1650. 1956 construction was completed, so it does resemble a lot of some of the sites we've seen at the Red Fort, Mughal architecture and all that. The mosque has two 130 feet tall minarets on the southeast and northeast side of the grounds. This one right here behind me is the one you can go up. It is 100 rupees, and I'm gonna head up there in a minute. All right, I'm headed up to the minaret right now, and it was 100 rupees for a foreigner. If you're an Indian, it is only 50 rupees. So the view is supposed to be crazy. And right outside, you can see the craziness of Old Delhi. There's Mayank down there. So it is 400 rupees total to do, get inside of here and do the minaret as well. Kind of expensive for India, but totally worth it for me. So that was awesome. However, how naive of me. I thought the guy that was hanging out in there worked here at the mosque and was taking photos for me, like on my phone, and telling me, like, in very broken English, a little bit about the area. Thought he just worked up there, and I get to the bottom and he's 40 rupees please, 40 rupees. Paid him like 10 rupees because he wouldn't stop bothering me. Very naive.
our फंड होटल के अंदर किंग स्ट्राइकर के ऊपर आता है और आपके यहाँ पर जो है हमारे ओके के अंदर जो है ये आपका बिना उसके आ जाएगा, ऐसे में कोई लेवल ही नहीं होता.
Fun fact, Jama Masjid translates in Arabic to Friday Mosque. So out here in this courtyard, it's massive, you can see, and there's quite a bit of people here, but nothing near what it can hold. The max capacity of this mosque is 25,000 people. And when it was built with a crew of 5,000 workers. And it is predominantly made of red sandstone and white marble. As you can see, it does resemble the Red Fort similarly, not only because it is Mughal architecture, but because of the color as well. And the domes, you can see, are white marble. That's where the white marble is. One thing to note too is that this mosque is oriented towards Mecca, which is the main pilgrimage site that all Muslims should make in their lifetime. Alright, so I hope you guys like this tour of the Jama Masjid. Personally, this is my favorite thing that I've seen so far here in Delhi. It's just magnificent, even the architecture. I just love the architecture of the mosques. They're so unique and different than typically what we see in the United States. And the people are so friendly here, and would definitely recommend visiting here. Make sure to bring at least 400 rupees so you can do the minaret as well. Anyways, thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.